Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you what I eat in a day. Hello there, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so happy that you are here and I really hope that you enjoy this video. So today I bring you another what I eat in a day video. I hope you like this type of videos just to give you ideas for your own meals. I love watching this type of videos and getting inspiration for my own meals, so I thought I'll put one of these again together for you guys. Enjoy the video. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you throughout my day. Morning fam, how are you? It's still super early in the morning, 6:30 a.m. and I'm about to make my breakfast. I actually don't know what I feel like today. Sometimes I feel like something savory, sometimes I feel like something sweet, or sometimes I feel like both of them. But today I think I'm gonna go with something sweet, and I'm gonna make protein waffles with 3 ingredients, and one of those ingredients, I don't know why I went with this one. One of those ingredients, it's water. So basically just 2 ingredients, and that's protein powder and oat flour, which is just blended oats. So I'm gonna show you how I make that. I'm gonna add some strawberries and blueberries and some peanut butter on top, and of course my delicious coffee. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna preheat our waffle maker, and I like using this avocado oil fry. So I'm gonna a little bit. I love this one because it's just the avocado oil. It doesn't have any, I don't know if it's okay, there it is. I love this oil because it actually doesn't have any chemicals. It's just the 100% extra virgin avocado oil, and it has 8 calories per serve, and each serve is about a 2 to 3 second spray. So highly recommend this one, which you can get from Woolworths here in Australia. So it's time for my morning snack, and I'm gonna have this chia pudding, cacao chia pudding that I prepped on Sunday during my meal prep. So it's basically chia, cacao powder, coconut milk, and that's pretty much it. And also I added some Greek yogurt, just plain Greek yogurt and raspberries. I'm happy to leave the recipe in the box below so you guys can make this chia pudding at home. It's super quick, super easy. And now I'm just gonna drizzle a little bit of this pancake syrup on top, just because the yogurt is not sweet, and just to make it a little bit sweeter. And that's it. This is my morning snack. It's time for lunch, guys, and today I'm having a serve of my Caesar salad. So I have my leaves here with some onion and some cheese. I'm about to add 1 whole boiled egg. Caesar salad is not a Caesar salad without the croutons. So this delicious Caesar salad was part of my meal prep on Sunday. So if you want the recipe of this Caesar salad with a homemade dressing, all you need to do is leave me a comment below and leave me your email address, and I'm gonna email the recipe card straight away. Or you can go to my Instagram page and go to my post with the Caesar salad and leave me a comment, and then I will get back to you with the recipe card. Or if you can't find the Caesar salad post, just send me a direct message and I'll send you the recipe card. I was actually just sending like heaps and heaps of recipe cards the last week because it is freaking delicious. Ooh. Okay, so the pizzas are ready. The mini pizzas are ready. Perfecto. So I'll make one for Alan and one for me. So now I'm just gonna add a little bit of oregano. Flakes to mine, not to Alan's. ready for my last meal of the day, and that is a ice cream. I love having an ice cream as my last meal because I just need something sweet after dinner, and this Halo Top, the peanut butter one, is my freaking favorite. It's delicious. So this is it for me tonight. I hope you enjoyed this quick what I eat in a day, just to give you an idea of the meals that I consume for fat loss. I'm currently eating 1,600 calories in total, and I'm happy to give you the macronutrient breakdown and calorie value of each of those meals. So I might be adding that to each meal, so you guys can see that as a reference. As I said, you don't have to eat the same things I eat. Just get ideas from these meals to create your own meals, and just meals that fit your requirements. So I hope that you really enjoyed this. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below in the comment area. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and just activate that notification, the notification option, so you guys can get notified every time I upload a video, and you don't miss them anymore. Let me know what other content you want to see so I can work on that for you. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because if you want to get more inspiration for your meals, that's the place to go. I share heaps and heaps and heaps of recipes, and I love you so much. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you here very, very, very soon. Adios.